Hey yo, more whoop it, whoop it. Hey yo, more whoop it, whoop it. Mukbang information, make sure. Nínú rédíò, nínú tẹ́lì, wọ́n ní ẹ̀ ń fa, ta ló fa, bọ́bọ́, ta ló fa.
Hi everybody, how is everybody doing? She already know, Miss Stalin already know. Good job, Stalin. She already started. Hi guys, it's your girl Sandy back again with another video. As you can see, I got two guests today. My live guest, which was Sally, and Stalin in the house. Say Stalin. Hi. Which is my daughter, you guys. Some of you have been asking to do a video with her. I did have another video, but I didn't get a chance to edit it, so I didn't post it. But today I said, why not squeezing her in there, okay? But you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the clock. When I put a new video, you guys can get be the first one to see it. And probably abonner, partager à tous les amis, le mettre une vidéo pour nous. Thank you so much for all of my subscribers. Don't forget I love you guys all, and today we're just gonna eat and talk. Nothing seriously, same old. Hopefully we can come up with new content, but I'm still working on it, you know, we're busy. But here we go, you guys. Let's get to it. We're gonna pray, okay, you guys? Please, Lord, bless the food. Don't let us get fat. Please let us enjoy it. Don't let us get sick. We praise in Jesus' name. Amen. All right, Stalin. Here go your spoon, Stalin. What are you eating today? You gonna eat?
She already ate. She already ate her orange.
Alright. Stalin, how are you doing today?
I'm good actually. A little cloudy today for the weather, but you know, it's warm.
Yeah, it's warm.
A little windy here and there.
This is good. By the way, you guys, today I didn't cook today. We just went out and picked up. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me show you. Stalin gonna show you what she's eating. We went to Abashi Grill. We picked up some food.
I just got a whole bunch of stuff.
And she got a healthy food.
Yeah.
I think you gotta put it closer.
Yeah.
She got a bunch of healthy food. You see, we try to do, you guys. We try to eat healthy, but it's a struggle, you know. I've been struggling about eating healthy. I don't know about you, Stalin. Every day, I wake up and tell myself,
you're gonna eat healthier.
And I started meal prep and all that good stuff, right? And then I'll be doing good 1 week. The next week, guess what happened? I went back to
You went back to eating your usual food.
Yeah, I went back to my normal habit, you know, like bad food and everything. But I have a friend that was talking about keto diet. Have you ever tried?
I have, but I didn't stick to it. So now we're down green.
Because apparently,
I just like food too much, and I guess if I do a keto diet, I would have to discipline myself. But with the way my mom cooks and my dad cooks, it's hard to go on a keto diet.
I'm not gonna lie, Filipino food is so good. Like when I was in San Diego, you guys, you know, I always say I'm black Filipino. Everybody that know me, they know that word. That means I'm half black, half Filipino. So, but not by ratio, but look, let me tell you, Filipino food, Filipino party, if you want to eat, that's where you need to be. They have the best food. I'm not gonna lie, the best food ever. That lumpia though, I love lumpia.
Just go to any Filipino house and a Filipino gathering, and
they always have a bunch of food.
Yeah, the first thing they'll tell you to do is sit down and eat. And
why do you guys cook so much though?
I don't know, we just cook.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't even have to be special. It could just be like us hanging out for the weekend, and we go all out cooking. And like by the end of the day, you'll be coming out with bags of Tupperware of the food
and all.
Yeah. So like I can, you know, the first thing that they're gonna do when you come is they're gonna say, come sit down and eat. And then even after you finish eating, they're still gonna tell you to eat some more.
I know, it's just so funny. People like, I tell people sometimes, like, culture is a beautiful thing, and we have so much in common sometimes with a different culture. We just don't know. I mean, You just don't know. You meet somebody, they're from another country, and just like you don't know. How can you have so much in common with that person if you don't get to know that person? Like for Caribbean people too, it's the same thing. They cook a lot. They're always cooking. And when you come to their house, like the first thing they tell you, come on, have a seat, eat. Come on, have a seat. And then you can sit down and eat 5 plates. They still ask you to eat. And my mom always does that. She's like, eat. And she's cooking the food. She's not even eating. But if you come to her house, the whole damn time, she'll be telling you, my dad, he's amazing in the kitchen though. So he'll be telling you all the time, take a plate, enjoy the food. And you just ate. I'm like, Dad, she just ate. Like, I know, Mama. She just ate. You guys, she's too, you know, toddler repeat everything. I mean, she just turned 3. They repeat everything you say. So that's the time we at right now. Bless you. So I'm telling you, that's what's going on.
It's the same thing too if you go to a Mexican household.
The same thing.
It's the same thing too.
It's like we have so much in common. It's not even a joke. People don't understand that.
Oh wow, I swear I don't go to any Mexican restaurant. I'm really picky at it after I went down to Mexico. I didn't mean by the border. I meant my boyfriend took me down to his hometown and we visited his sister-in-law and his brother, and I tasted real Mexican food. I kid you not. I don't care. I will drive down there just to eat real authentic food. I don't think I've been there. No, I haven't.
If you go to Mexico, you want to have the whole, like, you know, or they have food truck here. So you want to have the best food ever, like all the real Mexican stuff. You know, how we used to live in San Diego. Of course, we used to live in San Diego. San Diego have the real Mexican food. I keep telling people that, they don't believe me. I've been living in a different state, so I know.
You know, I'm real
different, yeah. When I moved here, I was craving, me and my husband, like, remind you, I moved to the East Coast, except for New York. New York have real Mexican food too. And
I've only been to New York once.
The whole time, Celine, I was craving Mexican food. Remind you, when I was in San Diego, I take it for granted. I never want to eat Mexican. I was like, oh, every day Chinese or Mexican, I'm tired. And when I went to East Coast, I was begging for real taco. I went to 4 different restaurants. They were like trash. They have the nerve to tell me Mexican food. I'm like, no, that's fake Mexican food. You guys don't even know the half of it. Like, it tastes nasty. That's not Mexican. And the lady was looking at, no, see. I'm like, no. I know my Mexican.
This is what I do. My boyfriend and I tried the Mexican food here in town. We didn't really like it.
That's trash. I tried it.
We didn't really like it. No, I knew it wasn't real authentic food just from like the way it looked. It didn't look good. So I told my.
You don't want to say it, but it's trash.
I told my boyfriend, if I don't see an old lady cooking in the back,
it's trash.
If I bite into it and it doesn't like drip when I bite, it's not real. Mexican food.
I'll be eating over here. I don't know. But listen, when we moved here, it was the same thing. Because when we were in Virginia, I was craving for it. And then when I got here, I was closer to San Diego, to Mexico, right? I told my husband, one thing I'm so excited for Arizona and Sierra Vista, it was like the Mexican food. And I called my mother-in-law, I was bragging on the phone. My sister and I'm like, finally, I come back home, West Coast. Then I eat Mexican food, and we were so hungry. And I said, I'm not gonna cook, but I will wait at night to go to a formal dinner, right? I don't know the name of that place. I could Fry, the store. There's a Mexican next to the Goodwill.
Yeah, I know.
The same shopping center. I don't know the name of it.
I know what you're talking about.
So I drove to that restaurant and I'm like, damn, what's this on the menu? I know those names. And I'm like, ooh, hey, I'm gonna have Mexican food tonight. Hey, call everybody, say, finally today. It was not good. I ordered ceviche. Can you mess up ceviche?
You shouldn't be able to.
No, you can't mess. Like, ceviche is something any Mexican kid can close their eyes and give you ceviche. I ordered ceviche, that thing was trash. And then on top of it, I was like, I see the fried fish. I was like, okay, enchiladas. I'm gonna order fish. I'm gonna order rice and beans. It was a mess. I lost my money silly.
If you want real Filipino food and real Mexican food, I need to take you home. I need to take you home to my place so you can eat
your house for Filipino food.
so you can eat some Filipino food, and then we'll go stop by my boyfriend's house so you can taste real Mexican food.
Oh, I go straight to Tijuana. Let me tell you, honey. I told you I had a dad. I don't know if you're watching this, Eddie. He's Filipino. He called me daughter. That's why I say I'm black Filipino, because I'm like an adopted daughter for him. He's a chef. He was a chef in the military. So I spent all my teenage life working with him. As my first job, I was be careful, Stalin. My first job, I was working with him. He was my supervisor, and I was working in the kitchen as a server. Like, we had a special bond, me and him. So most of the Filipino food, he literally put me down and taught me how to make. Like lumpia, kare-kare, adobo, chicken adobo, pork adobo. Even the fried fish that you guys make, me. I'm grateful for him. Even when I was married, like getting married, he's such a great person. Him and his wife made all the Filipino food that I like and brought it to my wedding that day.
Oh, really?
Yes, that's the best thing that happened to me. Like, he knows how much I love Filipino food, and my venue, I did not have any Filipino food, or Jamaican or Haitian food. He drove from Chula Vista with the little food in the car and go place it in between my venues. And then he kept come and whisper in my ear, guess what? There's adobo on your table. Look, I was with my wedding dress. I was like looking for the adobo, but it was so good. They ate it. They didn't give me some. You ready to go, or you done eating, Mama? Sit down.
You done, Mama?
If you done,
you done?
You done doing the video? Cause you're famous right now. Yeah, you famous. You're famous. Are you done eating? Okay, yeah. You're gonna say bye to everybody. You gotta say bye bye.
Say bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. I'll see you later. Alright, Mama. After starting is done, you guys, I'm gonna let her go. And are you gonna come back, or are you gonna go? You're going?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna stay a lot, you guys. As you can see, starting is over. And sitting is almost done. And I'm really full. So, guys, I was happy to come in here because I know it's been a long time. And we haven't had a chance to see each other for so long.
We've been busy.
I know why.
Like,
really busy.
It's been busy week.
Our schedule moves everywhere. Especially when I don't know where my schedule at anymore.
But the thing is, like, you're doing something else.
It's just
it keeps you busy though.
With her, I'm already busy. I'm already busy, you know. So
it's okay.
But like I said, whenever I can, I'll stop by. But I'm grateful for Celine, of course. She motivated me to do this video today, because if it wasn't for you, to be honest with you, I'll probably be sleeping somewhere.
Well, I figured, I'm not doing anything at home, just chilling.
But to be honest, I feel like this is therapy for me. I like coming in here talking to them, because I feel like even I cannot see them, but whenever I find the feedback in my videos, you should see the many feedback. We don't have a lot of views in the one that we made, but I find like probably like 100 comments already under it. And when you look at the view, it's not even that much view. And it's so amazing to see that like people actually out there looking at your video and they appreciate, I like that. So thank you guys for watching. And I think I'm going to just go ahead and watch this, because as you can see, I'm full and Celine is almost done. And this little one is messing up the party over here, you guys. So, but I'll come back with another video. I don't know what it is, but I'm still working in my beauty room in the outdoor. Still working in my room, because I know you asked me, one of my subbies asked me last time to give a tour for my bedroom. I'm still working on it. Look, I have something coming up, so you guys please bear with me. Thank you. You know that I love you all. Pas oublier, partager, abonner, subscribe, you guys. Send it to your friends and family. Love you guys.